Hello everyone and welcome! My name is Marika from Me and Minimi Crafting and I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm doing some freehand drawing and coloring, hopefully that's okay. I've gotten the impression that you like to see me color. Hopefully I'm also able to give you some inspiration to grab your pencils, Copic markers and watercolors and try something new to you. Today I'm being inspired by one YouTube artist that I've been following for some time now. Her YouTube channel, Lakri Fine Art, is such a wonderful source of inspiration and I watched her paint and draw so many times and hoped that if one day I can draw at least half as good as she does, I would be so happy. A link to her channel is in the description below if you like to stop by her place. I started by sketching in Olof with a pencil. I know for sure that pencils don't work with Copic, so a little later I erased the pencil lines and traced the image with a light grey colored pencil. I don't know if you're supposed to use Copics with colored pencils either, but my markers are still fine. Just wanted to let you know that if you want to be sure that your Copic nibs will not be ruined, you may want to use something else for tracing. So let's talk about the image a little, and maybe I should explain why I drew Olof. A daughter of a dear friend of mine is turning 4 and she's having her birthday party soon. She is crazy about Frozen and I wanted to make her happy on her birthday. I surely did not have enough confidence to try to draw Elsa or Anna, but Olof looked easier to me. There are quite many parts that could be better, but in all, I'm quite happy about how this turned out to be. And more importantly, when I showed this to my youngest, she yelled, "Olofi!" So at least he's recognized by the target population. I had a lot of fun drawing this. If you like this and want to see more freehand drawings and colorings from me, please leave me a comment or thumbs up so I know if you like to see these kind of things later too. I still will be mainly focusing on stamping and coloring, but once in a while I might do something similar to this. If you find this helpful and inspiring, of course. So I'll leave you with the coloring now. I hope you grab a cup of coffee and let me entertain you while you're having your break. Thanks for your time and see you soon. Bye! Ja sitten vielä pieni viesti omalla kotimaisella, eli tämä kortti on tehty Olivialle, joka täyttää pian 4 vuotta. Eli paljon onnea Olivia! Ja te kaikki ihanat ihmiset, jotka ymmärrätte tämän viestin, niin toivottavasti tykkäätte loppuvideosta. Heippa!